All right, guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are in the kitchen. We are pulling up tile. As you can see, I already got a jump start. We are going to keep going though. We're going to take it all the way to the wall. We're going to connect into here. Got to get all this tile out, get this grout, get the mortar all up, get this floor clean, and then we're going to start laying down our new vinyl tile. But first, we're going to put down a fresh layer of subfloor. So yeah, let's get to work. We're going to be using our new Dewalt brushless rotary hammer. This is definitely doing the trick. Great investment. I did it all by hand before with a chisel and a crowbar, and it took forever, and it was quite the pain. As you can see, hammer, stone chisel, crowbar. Took forever. This is speeding up the process so much. As you can just see, I can go right up to a tile. That tile came up pretty easy, but right up, and they all pop right up. Just like that. So this is making things go a lot faster, a lot nicer on me. I'm not having to get over on my knees and sit and just beat tiles up that don't want to come up. This just right through them. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get started, we're gonna get some work going, and yeah, hope you enjoy. All right, so now you can see we busted up some more tile. This is what you're stuck with. Normally this stuff would stick to the back of the tile. Well, this stuff didn't. It stuck to the floor. So you can see this is where we've dug it up. This is where we still need to go. And this is why the tool is coming in so useful, because we used to have to chisel all this by hand with a hammer. And now we can just get in here. And just like that, clean it up with little to no effort. So we're gonna go ahead and do this whole section. And we're gonna get it all nice and cleaned up. And yeah, then we'll be ready to put our subfloor down. So some of you guys might ask, like, if you don't want to do this, another thing you could do is one, you can go right over your tile with your vinyl floor. Two, you can pull up the tile and then put down a leveling compound to make it all flat. Three, you could do what I'm doing, bust it up and then sand down the high places to get it all level. Or four, you could pull up the entire subfloor and put down a fresh subfloor. So I'm going with the cheaper option. It's just very, very labor intensive, but you save money. So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, it's gonna come out really good. So we're gonna keep going at this, and yeah, I'll show you once we get done. So after 2 minutes, you have to stop because you broke so much crap up. So get yourself a shop vac, make your life a lot easier. And just like that, we have a almost perfectly smooth floor. Just a little sanding up and this will be perfect. So, if you're looking to do some vinyl flooring, it's not too bad. You can do it yourself pretty easily. Just takes a little bit of hard work. Do it in the summer, break a little sweat. So, yeah, we're gonna keep doing this, and yeah, stay tuned for part 2 where I go over putting down a fresh little subfloor over top of this, and we'll start laying some vinyl tile. We'll get cracking on this project. So yeah, let's do it.